हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ रिमोट वर्क वीज़ा इन यूएई फॉर इंडियंस। इसको वर्चुअल वर्क वीज़ा भी बोलते हैं और डिजिटल नोमैड वीज़ा के नाम से भी जाना जाता है ये वीज़ा। और ये क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है और इसका एप्लीकेशन कैसे करना है और ये किसको मिलेगा और कौन कौन एलिजिबल है और इसका प्रोसेस क्या है, इसमें फ़ी कितनी लगेगा और ये फ़ायदा है बेफ़ायदा है और मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया क्या है, और ये डिटेल में आज बताने वाला हूँ। वीडियो का लास्ट तक देखिएगा ज़रूर। वर्चुअल वर्क वीज़ा और डिजिटल नोमैड वीज़ा ये क्या है? ये वर्चुअल वर्क वीज़ा आइडियली इंडियन लोगों के लिए जो भी मंथली इनकम $3500 से ज़्यादा कमाता है। $3500 मीन्स इंडियन करेंसी अप्रोक्स 3 लाख। जो भी इन इंडियन करेंसी 3 लाख से ज़्यादा कमाता है पर मंथ, दैट पर्सन विल बी एलिजिबल टू obtain this virtual work permit visa. What is this virtual work permit visa? Let's define. The virtual work visa is the 12-month renewable visa that is issued by UAE Government, valid for 12 months only, also renewable with the applicable condition. Virtual work visa that is issued by the UAE government for those persons who are staying in UAE. They are allowed to stay in UAE up to the validity of the visa. They stay in UAE but they work virtually and remotely. The clients are located outside the UAE and they want to stay in UAE. Means जो लोग यूएई में रहते हैं और वो लोग यूएई का बाहर का कंपनी के लिए काम करते हैं रिमोटली, और उन लोगों के लिए यूएई ने स्पेशल एक वीज़ा ऑल्सो कॉल डिजिटल नोमैड। उसके लिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन, द पर्सन शुड बी एम्प्लॉयड आउटसाइड द यूएई। मीन्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूएई से जो भी बाहर है, कंपनी जो यूएई से बाहर है, उस कंपनी में वो इम्प्लॉयमेंट होना चाहिए। उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 1 साल से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए और फ्रीलांसर और बिजनेस ओनर्स ये लोग एलिजिबल है ये वीज़ा के लिए। और सेकंड कंडीशन है, इनका मिनिमम मंथली इनकम शुड बी मोर देन और इक्वल टू $3500. In some cases, Dubai specific program earlier there was mentioned around $5000 as well, but normally $3500 should be properly routed through the bank statement. Third condition, passport should be valid at least 6 months. Fourth condition, the applicant should have the valid health insurance, medical insurance. And fifth condition, pay slip or last 3 to 6 month bank statement showing the clearly transaction in the statement. And now I want to discuss about what is the cost and budgeting to apply this visa. Visa fee cost will be around $250 to $290 between, depending on the case to case, plus Emirates ID medical service fee, total coming to around $600. And living expenses, those person who has the virtual work visa, they should stay in UAE, and on an average staying accommodation expenses total around cost 6,000. Assume that for rent, utility expenses, grocery expenses, health insurance monthly. How can we apply for the virtual work visa? This is completely online. You need to go to the UAE government website icp.gov.ae. You can apply through online, and you need to upload all the required documents through online, and you need to pay visa fee online. And after all this primary application done, and the applicant must undergo medical fitness test and biometric enrollment for Emirates ID. And this visa will be issued up to 10 days depending on the case to case. This is the entire process to apply the virtual work visa, and there are certain restrictions. The applicant should follow that restrictions. The applicants not allowed to work UAE based company or clients during this period. In case of income drops below the $3,500 per month, in this case the visa renewal rejections risks will be high, and the applicant should stay within the UAE. It's not mandatory that always should stay in UAE. He can go other country as well, but the applicant not allowed to stay outside the UAE more than 6 months. In case of applicant staying outside the UAE more than 6 months, in that case the visa may not be renewed again. And last condition is the applicant should have the zero income tax in UAE. It means he should not be taxable person in UAE. These are the major things for this one. I hope you understand. If you are applying for virtual work visa, it may be the very much helpful for you. If you have the any query, you can comment down. I will definitely reply. Thank you for watching my video.